Thank you. And state lawmakers and families with lived experience rallying outside the state Supreme Court today, demanding change to family courts.
Fox 31 political reporter Gabrielle Franklin has more details about what they want to see next. Gabrielle.
State lawmakers say that they're worried that new laws surrounding family courts aren't being followed. And families in Colorado say that their lives are being ruined because of that.
Enough is enough! Enough is enough! Enough is enough!
Lawmakers and families are fed up, calling for courts to follow newly passed laws designed to keep children safe from their alleged abusers.
The latest one was House Bill 1350, which said unequivocally that we need to take a hard look at forced reunification, which is this idea that children should be forced into a relationship with an abuser.
Advocates say the practice known as family reunification allows parents who have been charged with any form of domestic violence to visit children, cutting off access to a trusted caregiver, despite a law passed last year to stop that from happening. Delivering letters to Colorado's newest Supreme Court justice today in an effort to get her to uphold the law. Advocates rallying for a mother currently facing charges for violating a court order and what she says was an effort to protect her children from her ex-husband, who's been charged with sexual assault.
The charge came out of the concern that I raised for my children's welfare and their well-being, and objected to the results that were happening.
Even with the new laws passed over the last 2 years, families with bad experiences with the courts say more reforms need to happen soon.
I don't believe that the bill gives enough training to those specific individuals. It's 20 hours of training when really what calls for proper training and understanding and statistics show is about 200 hours. Our judges need to be informed about this as well.
And representatives for Colorado's newest Supreme Court justice say that she hasn't seen the letters just yet, but families hope that their calls for awareness bring about change. Reporting from the state Supreme Court, Gabrielle Franklin, Fox 31.
All right, Gabrielle.